Paul Kealey from Ekobuilt. This is our brand new demonstration home we're building. 1,500 square foot, 4-bedroom, economically built home. We're happy to be finishing right now. Perfect day to talk about it. It's -20 outside, middle of January, +25 comfortable inside. Come on in. Here we are, open concept, living, dining, 2B kitchen area, a nice island here. Not a huge space, but an extremely comfortable space. Plenty of room for a family of 5, the way this home is designed. The days are going to be gone for that 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom, 2,500 square foot, 3,000 square foot home. Property's becoming more expensive. Everything's costing more to build. So build smart, build it a little bit smaller, and build more affordable. And anyone can still build, but the whole point is to build it a little bit smaller so that that you can build a new home. So here, we're walking down hallway. There's 3 bedrooms here. Kids' rooms, of course, separate from the master. Comfortable rooms. They each have a closet. And there's a storage space above each closet space. A nice big window for natural light. This window here is facing north, but you can see even in the wintertime, quite a bit of natural light will come through there. Linen closet. Every home needs a linen closet. Place to throw the towels. There's a cool feature here, walk-through washroom / powder room. There's a separate space with shower, 2 sinks, and a door that separates the toilet room, which operates both as a toilet for the washroom, secondary washroom, also powder room. So it eliminates 1 washroom. Okay, economical, minimalistic, smart design. Okay, minimize unwanted space is what we've done here with this model, essentially. Okay, utility area. Personally, my favorite area to design in the home, because we're in a passive home, you don't need many utilities, so you can make the utility room really small. This is it right here. Electric panel. There'll be a hot water tank, pressure tank, water conditioning system for healthy water, and that's all that needs to go in there. Apart from that, fresh air machine, which you can see up here. So we've just utilized a space above the entry closet to put the ERV. In most homes, that would be in a dead air space between a couple walls. In here, every home needs storage, so instead of building a basement that doesn't get used and isn't wanted because it's damp or just segregated space on its own, get smart, integrate above closet areas for open storage. In this home, just with providing extra space above the closets, in the laundry room, bedrooms, washrooms, we've actually increased the square footage of the home by a couple hundred square feet by doing that alone. So with an average cost to build, $250 a square foot, do the math, it saves lots of money. Okay, so master bedroom in here, couple closets, husband and wife got to get along, so we each need our own closet, right? Ensuite bathroom, of course. Walk-in shower, so 3 foot by 4 foot, compact but comfortable shower, keeping with the theme of the home. Single sink. If a married couple's got 2 sinks, if they get along, you should just require 1 sink. and toilet there in the corner. And there you have it, 1,500 square feet of passive house.